Hey, Chris coming at you here from Christcross Crafts. I wanted to just let you know I got my new Powermatic joiner assembled. You can see it is on a universal mobile base, so I can maneuver it around the shop. For rear mortals, this would be a two-man job. However, this is me we're talking about, so there was absolutely zero problems with me hoisting that up by myself, putting it on the stand. I've got it all cleaned up, all the adjustments are made, so let's just take it through its run, see how it does. We'll joint and flatten out this board. So, Christcross Crafts, have a great day and enjoy my new toy, the 54A joiner from Powermatic. Nice and straight too.